Oh God, I can't see anything. There we go. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
But I've now been buying loads of games that I've wanted to play but I missed out on. So I just went, I'm formatting your system, Alan, because it's crap. So I formatted it, reinstalled Windows 10, got everything working. The thing was like a rocket.
And when you get to math, it's probably narrow. I do need to look at the hand of retro. A long time to load, actually. Well, a lot of people say even if you do it, it'll still go yellow again. Because you're only getting something Although I suppose if you were a retro buyer, maybe you could spray on some sort of lacquer to stop it. It would be quite the same thing. It's like matte. We're going to film too. Ready for this movie?
I got a MiniDV one on eBay and I got a Super VHS-C one.
So what are you actually recording on in there? Is it a hard drive or?
No, it's a MiniDV tape.
I've never heard of that before.
Yeah, my dad was this before he got the latest HD one. You had this like thing where you had to put the mini tape into a sort of normal size VHS.
That's right, I remember.
Yeah.
And then once it's in it, you put it into the player and it'll play it back.
Why has he not seen the other machine? And Windows 95 didn't tell you anything. And then it ended up being a kink in your cable that broke it.
Something on Facebook about that, about the gas man.
I'm glad somebody else has been through it.
Yeah, it's like,
I think I might have put, wasn't that? I put not the
best thing that ever happened when we moved over to Cat 5. It was like, you were like living in luxury. It's like, it actually works when you want it to. Jeez Louise.
That's the one thing that has improved over the years, hasn't it? How things talk to each other.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I've got that working finally.
Yeah.
Just capturing the sexiest man on it.
Oh yeah.
It's in the iPhone.
I've tried everything. And if you type it in online, you go clone Linux system. It goes, use Clonezilla. Yeah, use Clonezilla. 45 minutes of my life. And it did it twice, so like almost 2 hours of my life that I'll never get back. And I'm restoring the drive, and it's complete. It's done now. Boots it up, don't work. It just comes up as grub, error, no bootloader. Just give me something to work with. There was times like that where it was like, normally I turn around to people and go, oh yeah, Linux is a good operating system. It's great, you're not solely locked into that one system. And then the machine. And I've just not gotten rid of it. I'll phone you, Steve, come to your window. No, the other window. Can you see me down the parking lot? Yeah, I'm the one waving at you.
There's one in Market. Next time, I tend to think about No, he's gone to watch a boxing match.
I was limited live. It's not season for live. The
Well, basically, his job is like fixing Apple's broken laptops.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because their geniuses go, you can't repair this. It's like, but you can repair this? It's Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs can like kiss my ass.
On television for an Apple wristwatch.
Yeah.
Next year, I'll get the problem. You've got a player's hands.
So there.